There are a lot of web browser right now in the market offering various different features. Some offers better security and anonymity, some offers or market their product as gaming browser. And even after all of that, most of us use Chrome. To be specific, in late 2019, at least 64% of all device across the world is using Chrome as their default browser, and for some pretty good reasons, honestly. It has a very easy to understand UI and it is well known for its speedy performance. But not all of us are satisfied with Chrome, although it has all the great features I mentioned, because of its one major problem, and that is it eats up a lot of memory. If you are running a low end or a old hardware, it is even more apparent. Although if you have a modern day very high end hardware, the problem is not gone. It can eat up more than 2 gigabytes of RAM with just couple of handfuls of tab. And if you are someone like me who uses 20 tabs at the same time, well, it can use upwards of 8 gigabytes of RAM. But why Chrome need that amount of memory? It's just a web browser. Well, there are many reasons behind that. Some like what kind of web page you are browsing, how many or how heavy extension you have installed. But there is one big culprit, and that is Chrome's sandboxing feature. So what do I mean by that? Well, to put it simply, Chrome splits up every single tab and extension to its own process, which needs space and memory. And the reason behind that, if you are having some kind of trouble with a particular tab and it crashes, it won't affect those other tabs. And if you are doing anything sensitive work, well, this is a life-saving feature, honestly. So you are getting stability at the price of RAM usage. But that doesn't solve the puzzle, because there is still one piece left, and that piece is Chrome's pre-rendering technique. Is when Chrome's intelligently guesses what you are going to click on next, like a article on a news site. And that is one of the biggest reason why Chrome is so fast. But to do this, Chrome needs to load a lot of data on to your memory, thus more RAM usage. And switching to a different browser won't solve your problem, because a lot of the browsers nowadays based on Chromium. So what is Chromium? Well, to explain that, I need to make a separate video. But note this, that Chromium is kind of like the architecture behind your web browser, same as the architecture behind your CPU. This is not the technical term, and Chromium has all those features that are causing those memory issues. So that means you are out of luck. Well, no, because Chrome has a feature called tab discarding, where Chrome smartly offloads the data from your memory depending on which tab you are not using for a long time. But that again means that when you are going to use that tab, it has to reload that page again, so adding a new step. And there are also other ways, like managing your tabs in a better way, and you can do that by using Chrome's built-in task manager, where you can visually see that which tab is important for you and which tab is not, and just close that tab so you have more RAM to do other stuff. But honestly, at the end of the day, internet is getting bigger and smarter, so most of the web pages are getting feature rich day by day. So at a certain point, you have to upgrade your memory. So this was it for this video, and if you liked it, hit the like button. If you don't, leave it as like. That was for me, and I put out content similar like this every single day, so definitely consider subscribing by clicking this. And if you want to watch more from this channel, you can check this video right here. And until then, this is Akash, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.